Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom video files, whether you're looking for a meeting you recorded last week or need to access shared recordings from colleagues. Knowing exactly where these files live can save you valuable time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.es. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account. This is where all your recording management happens, so make sure you're logging into the correct account that has the recordings you're looking for. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll see various navigation options for managing different aspects of your Zoom account. Click on Recordings. This section is specifically designed to help you locate and manage all your recorded Zoom sessions, whether they're stored in the cloud or on your local computer. Now you'll notice that your recordings are organized into different categories. You can browse through cloud recordings, which are sessions saved directly to Zoom servers. There's also a Shared with Me section where you'll find recordings that other users have given you access to. And finally, there's Computer Recordings, which contains videos saved locally on your device. Each category serves a different purpose, so knowing which one to check can help you find your files faster. For this tutorial, navigate to Computer Recordings. This is where you'll find all the videos that were saved directly to your machine during Zoom meetings. Once you're in this section, browse through the list and select your preferred video. You'll see details like the date, time, and duration of each recording. When you've found the one you need, click Open. This action will begin the process of accessing the actual file location on your computer. Here's where it gets really helpful. In the bottom toolbar of your screen, a folder icon will appear. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key to accessing the physical location of your files. Once you click this folder, it will open a window showing you all the video files from that recording session. You'll typically see multiple files here, including the main video, audio files, and sometimes chat logs or other supporting documents that were part of that meeting. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to locate your Zoom video files, whether they're stored in the cloud or on your computer. This method ensures you can quickly access any recording whenever you need it for review, editing, or sharing purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.